bambelela kumsoze ndikushiye, ndikuthanda njengechomi noma kunzima soze ngihleke. Ayisuka uthande nalo ntwana yami soze liphele, sohamba sobabini kule ndlela soze njike. Ntwana ndiyakukhumbula, haven't seen you in a while, ndihlala ndikhumbula asathetha I wonder why. Mpintshi vula isifuba uthethe nami kwenzekani, bengicela uthethe nami uba ngonile silungise. Uyakhumbula singabakhwetha, we planned a lot of things, uyakhumbula sinamaphupho, besihlala sonke siphila sonke thina singamakwala. Inhlungu endayihamba yaziwa nguwe ke saluka. Mna ndiyakufraza ngicela ubuye, impilo yami ngaphandle kwakho ntwana yenza isense. Ntwana ngiqhele wena siphile sonke from escale, ntwana we were friends engekho benosihlukanise. Umama wakhe bengowami, besibiza ngamawele, iskipa sakho ibise sami, nditshe bakhwetheni wena ubise isipili sami. I hope uhleli grand, ndiyakukhumbula brother wami. I hope uhleli grand, ndiyakukhumbula brother wami.